Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download Canon PIXMA TS207 driver on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to just go into our browser. And then once you're now on our browser, just search for Canon PIXMA TS207 driver download and then click on enter. And then after that, just look for this one right here. So just click on that. And then in this part, we're going to click on download. After clicking, what we're going to do next is to wait for it to finish. Once it is done, and what we're going to do is to click on open file. And then after that, in this part, what we're going to do right here is to just close this. And then click on yes. And then click on finish. And then on the search bar, just search for printers. And then click this one right here. And then click add device. After that, just click add a new device. And then in this part, we're going to click add a local printer and then click on next. And then for the existing port, what we're going to do right here is to look for any USB port that you would see right here. However, in my case, I don't have any USB port, so I'm just gonna click on null. After that, just click on next. And then in this part, we're going to click on have disk and then click on browse. After that, just click on downloads. And then in this part, you will see this folder. So just click this one right here and then click on driver. And then in this part, you will not be able to see this drivers right here. So just choose the one that you prefer. So let's say, for example, that we would like to install this. So we're going to click on this and then click on OK. And then after that, we're going to click on next again. And then if you want to change the name, it's up to you, but I will just leave it as it is. And then after that, the driver will now be installed. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. After that, just click on do not share and then click on next again and then click on finish. And then after that, if you look right here, you will now be able to see the driver. So that is basically it.